Good morning, folks. Jim over here at Oak Grove Truck and 4x4. I wanted to take a couple minutes this morning and go over this 2010 Platinum F150. Gorgeous truck, in great shape, 138 on the miles. If you're looking for something that's going to be a real easy payment, has some features on it, this truck is definitely for you. It's got the premium platinum wheels, rear power slider, power running boards. It's got a tow package with a 7-pin and a 4-pin. Bring you up in here. Bed liner, the rear step up. Rear parking sensors. Take you on around. Take you into the tires and the wheel well. Just in great shape. Tires are in great shape. Get you back out. I'll swing you around the front and then take you on the inside. As I mentioned, this is a one-owner vehicle, 138 on the miles. Let me get you to the inside. Give you a little inside view here. Leather's in great shape. It's a dark tan interior. She does have a sunroof. And as far as some of the features go, it's heated, cooled seats. It has sync. It has a center console navigation, traction control, built-in trailer brake, a couple of 12 volts, aux port, USB. It's got steering wheel controls that run the audio center, cruise control, power windows, power locks, adjustable foot pedals. It does have home link and a rear power slider back here. Hey, thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 816-281-5985. Have a great day.